Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Children, welcome to today's session. See children, as you know, in our last session, we have learned about how glass is made, right? We have seen that how glass is made, how glass is shaped, then what are the some properties of the glass, right? So we have learned in detail about these 3 points, that is how glass is made, how it is shaped, and what are the different properties of the glass. Now, at the end of the last session, I have told you that here the story of the glass doesn't end. Okay, still we have to learn more about it. So, in today's session, we will continue with the story of the glass. So, our today's session will be the second part of how glass is made. Okay, मागच्या भागामध्ये आपण काच कशी बनवतात, तिला कसा आकार देतात आणि तिचे काही गुणधर्म आपण जाणून घेतले. ओके, आता आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण ह्या इतक्या सुंदर काचेविषयी आणखीन काहीतरी जाणून घेऊया. खूप महत्वाचं आणि इंटरेस्टिंग आहे ते. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ अवर टुडेज सेशन. The point is how glass is made. That is the title of our story. Today's session we will begin with very interesting thing, that is colored glass. Now you can see a picture of beautiful colored glass, isn't it? In last session we have seen transparent glass, as well as I have shown you some things that is made from colored glass. But how this colored glass is made, that's what we are going to learn in today's session. Okay, so now let's begin with the colored glass, how it is made. Ordinary glass is colorless. You can see here. It doesn't have any color. ही ordinary glass आहे आणि जी colorless असते, कोणताही color नसतो. But it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. Okay, now in first picture you can see there is ordinary glass. Okay, and in second picture you can see glasses of different colors. So it is possible to produce colored as well as transparent. You can see the second picture, all these glasses are colored as well as transparent. You can see through it. And how it is made? By using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. In last session we have learned about how the glass is made. We have learned the process. There is a lime soda and white sand. Combination of this mixture is heated and then the glass is made. So while making glass, that is ordinary colorless glass, they are adding some chemicals and then the colored glass is produced or it is made. मागच्या भागामध्ये आपण ट्रान्सपरंट कलरलेस ग्लास कशी बनते हे मी तुम्हाला दाखवलं. आता ही प्रोसेस आपण जाणून घेतली. ही प्रोसेस चालू असताना त्याच्यामध्ये काही केमिकल्स टाकले जातात आणि त्याच्यामुळे ही रंगीत काच अशी बनते. सो यू कॅन सी, glass can be given many beautiful colors. We will see that. See, blue color, then violet, turquoise, नीलमणी म्हणतो ना आपण, नीलमण्याचा कलर, turquoise, then ruby red. Ruby, it is a stone, okay, and this color is of that ruby color. Ruby red, pink, amber one, orange, deep yellow. See the shades of orange color. Okay, amber, then deep yellow, orange color, then there is purple. Find out the difference between violet and purple. Then amethyst, dark green, and even black and white. Okay, so here are some of the colors which they can put and make colored glasses while processing the glass. Okay, and you must have seen the different articles made with colored glass. तुमच्या आजूबाजूला तुमच्या घरामध्ये तुम्ही कुठे कुठे हे कलर्ड जे काही असतात, बोल्स असतात, ग्लासेस असतात, प्लेट्स असतात, हे तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल. ओके, किंवा आपण गाडीची काच बघतो, ब्लॅक कलरची असते, व्हाईट ट्रान्सपरंट असते. सो यू कॅन फाइंड आउट. बघा इकडे तुम्हाला मी एक असं एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी देते की हे जे कलर्स तुम्हाला समोर दिसत आहेत, ह्या कलर्सचा वापर करून कुठल्या कुठल्या वस्तू तुम्हाला आजूबाजूच्या परिसरात आढळतात त्याची एक लिस्ट तयार करायची. ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ ग्लास. It is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combination of chemicals in the glass making process. See here how the colored glass is made in the glass factory. They use some chemicals while producing such type of colorful or multicolored glass material or things or atoms. Okay. Now, as I told you, a very interesting part of story of the glass that we will learn about stained glass. Now, what is stained glass? Let's know more about it. Stained glass कशाला म्हणतात हे आता आपण जाणून घेऊया. You can see a beautiful picture of stained glass there. So, what is stained glass and where it is used? Let's learn about it. We will learn more about stained glass, what is stained glass and how it is made. So colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially in window panes. Such windows are known stained glass windows. You can see here beautiful window panes, right? And they are of glass. Can you believe this? So beautifully made windows, and such type of windows are known as stained glass windows. बघा ह्या ज्या काचेचा वापर करून ही खिडक्यांची तावदानं केली आहेत आणि नुसत्याच त्या काचा लावल्या नाहीयेत बघा, त्याच्यापासून खूप सुंदर चित्र तयार केली गेली आहेत. राईट, तुम्ही जर काळजीपूर्वक बघाल तर तुम्हाला कळेल की हे जी खिडकी आहे ह्याच्या प्रत्येक स्क्वेअर मध्ये एक वेगळं चित्र केलंय. So such type of windows are known as stained glass windows. Now let's learn more about it. You can see so beautiful it is. And see here in second picture the sunlight. Also you can see the colorful sun rays here on the floor. So beautiful. Now we will see such type of stained glass windows are mostly seen in churches where Christian people go and pray. So the holy place of the Christian religion is known as church. Okay, so you can see here these are the pictures of the stained glass window panes or stained glass windows. Here we have seen different uses of glass. Okay, in last session and in today's session also. Now we will see some more uses of colored glass. So colored glass can also be used to make beautiful sculptures or decorative articles. See here, so beautifully made sculptures of colored glass, and it can also be used for making decorative articles at the same time. बघा रंगीत काचेचा वापर करून स्कल्पचर्स किंवा आपल्याला जे रोजच्या जीवनामध्ये लागणाऱ्या आवश्यक वस्तू असतात त्या किंवा डेकोरेटिव्ह पीसेस तयार करायला पण त्याचा वापर केला जातो. स्कल्पचर्स म्हणजे पुतळे किंवा शिल्पकला त्या कामामध्ये सुद्धा किती सुंदर उपयोग करून घेतलेला आहे बघा त्या काचेचा. काच ही किती नाजूक असते, पण त्या नाजूक गोष्टीचा वापर करून आपल्याला उपयोगाच्या आणि शोभिवंत वस्तू सुद्धा बनवता येतात. यू कॅन सी इन द पिक्चर beautiful sculptures and decorative articles can be made with the colored glass. Different uses of glass and the different process also. While molding it is different, while making some articles they have to use different process. Now we will learn one more use, or how the artists are painting the glass. Okay, it is also possible to paint on glass. See, this is one more property of the glass, that you can paint on it, like fabric painting. Okay, or you do painting on your notebook when you draw the picture and you colored it. Okay, or we paint our house. So like that it is also possible to paint on glass, but for that you have to use some special chemicals and different process. So you can see in the picture. बघा, आपण काचेचे वेगवेगळे उपयोग बघितले. आपण हेही पाहिलं की काचेच्या वस्तू बनवण्यासाठी ती मोल्ड करावी लागते, तिला वेगळा वेगळा आकार द्यावा लागतो. त्यानंतर आपण स्टेन ग्लासची माहिती मिळवली की रंगीत काचांचा वापर करून किती सुंदर, शोभिवंत आणि गरजेच्या वस्तू बनवल्या जातात. आता आपण मागच्या भागामध्ये काचेच्या वेगवेगळे गुणधर्म बघितलेले. त्याच्यातली आणखीन एक इथे प्रॉपर्टी तुम्हाला दिसते बघा, की यू कॅन पेंट ऑन ग्लास. Glass surface is so smooth, so easily you can paint on it, but for that you have to use some special chemicals, some different colors, and their process is also different. काही त्याचं एक तंत्र असतं, एक टेक्निक असतं, आणि ते शिकून आर्टिस्ट ग्लास पेंटिंग करतात. खूप सुंदर असतं बघा हे. यू कॅन सी हिअर द प्रोसेस ऑफ पेंटिंग ऑन ग्लास. ओके, now after learning so many uses and properties of the glass, now this is our duty to know how to preserve this glass, or what can be done more with this glass. Okay, very interesting point about this glass, that glass can be recycled. Recycled means it can be reused. See, nowadays, you know, if you go to the shop to buy something, the plastic bags are not given to you. That is, those bags are banned. So they give us bag of paper, right? Paper bags are used. And as you know, the paper is being recycled. We give our old papers or our old newspapers to the shop, and then that is sent to the factory. Okay, paper factory, and then that is recycled, and again the paper bags will be prepared. Now in such a way even glass can be recycled. How's that? Let's have a look. बघा, जसं आपण कागदाची पुनर्निर्मिती करतो, रिसायकलिंग, रियूज करतो, पुनर्वापर करतो, तसं काचेचं सुद्धा केलं जातं. लेट्स सी हाऊ इट इज डन. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. त्याच्यातलं काहीच फुकट जात नाही. 100% you can reuse it. Old glass can be used to make new glass. From old glass you can make new glass any number of times. कितीही वेळा जुनी काच वापरून तुम्ही नवीन काच तयार करू शकता. There is no limit for that. So this is also very unique feature of the glass. बघा, किती काचेचे महत्वाचे फीचर्स, प्रॉपर्टीज आपण बघतोय बाळांनो. So this is very important, that glass can be used to make new glass for any number of times. आपण बघा, सकाळी बघतो की ते वेचणारे लोक असतात, कागद वेचणारे, ते काचेच्या बाटल्या सुद्धा घेऊन जातात. And then those glass bottles or the glass articles, आपण तुटलेले कप, फुटलेल्या बशा कचऱ्यामध्ये टाकतो, then they collect it and then they send it to the glass factory. You can see here. In glass factory again, new bottles or the new articles is made or recycled, and again it comes to the market for sale. Okay. So in this way, glass can be recycled or remade for any number of times. Here you can see the process. Recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw materials. It requires much less heat and a lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, you save enough energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. See how glass is useful for us, or how different it is than any other metal or material. See, recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw material. आपण मागच्या सेशन मध्ये वाळू, लाईम आणि सोडा याच्यापासून नवीन ग्लास बनवण्याची प्रोसेस जाणून घेतलेली. पण जर ह्या तुटलेल्या फुटलेल्या काचेच्या वस्तू जर ग्लास फॅक्टरीमध्ये नेऊन त्याच्यापासून पुन्हा जर नवीन ग्लास तयार करायची झाली तर ती खूप स्वस्तात तयार होते. कारण त्याला नवीन ग्लास तयार करायला जी काही उष्णता द्यावी लागते किंवा त्याला जे काही वीज द्यावी लागते मशिनरी चालवायला, त्याचा याच्यामध्ये खूप बचत होते. आता त्याने इथे तुम्हाला एक उदाहरण दिले की तुम्हाला एखादी काचेची बॉटल तयार करायची असेल तर तुम्ही किती एनर्जी ह्या रिसायकलिंग प्रोसेस मध्ये सेव्ह करू शकता. तर आपल्या घरात समजा कलर टीव्ही असेल आणि तो 20 मिनिटं चालवायला आपल्याला जेवढी वीज लागते तेवढ्या विजेची बचत आपण करू शकतो. सो रिसायकलिंग इज ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल. नवीन काच तयार करण्यापेक्षा रिसायकलिंग प्रोसेस ही खूपच आपली ताकद, आपली उष्णता आणि आपली वीज बचत करणारी ठरू शकते. ओके. सो रिसायकलिंग इज अ व्हेरी गुड ऑप्शन for making glass. You can see here, see we will start with this picture. We are throwing the broken glasses into the dustbin. Okay, then it is taken away, then it is cleaned and it is sent to the glass factory. In factory they are making it into the pieces, then that is heated and again new bottle is made or new article is made through that, and then it is sent to the market. Okay, so in this way recycling process is done with the broken glasses or the broken articles of glass. Okay, and it is, as we have learned, it is energy saving and it's heat saving too. So it is always advisable to recycle the glass like recycle the paper. Okay, so this is very interesting, isn't it? So the next time you throw away a glass bottle, think. So this is advice for all of us. Next time, even if throwing the glass bottle into the dustbin, you have to just think twice that how and where to send it. Okay, I know we cannot recycle glass at home, but how and in which condition we have to throw, at least that much we can think about, right? आपल्याला माहिती आहे की आपण घरी काय याचे नवीन काच तयार नाही करू शकत किंवा नवीन बॉटल तयार नाही करू शकत, पण आपण कशा पद्धतीने ती फेकणार आहोत याचा मात्र आपण नक्की विचार करू शकतो. बिकॉज ग्लास इज व्हॅल्युएबल. In two sessions we have learnt about different features, different properties of the glass. We have seen how it is useful for us and how it is made. Though it is a man-made thing, but it is very useful for us, and if you recycle it, it saves your heat, it saves your money, it saves your power, and it is very, very, very valuable to us. So before throwing away a glass bottle, think twice. Okay. काच ही किती किमती आहे ह्या आणि तिचे वेगवेगळे गुणधर्म आपण मागच्या आणि आजच्या भागामध्ये बघितलेत. त्यामुळे पुढच्या वेळेला काचेच्या वस्तू फेकताना त्या कशा प्रकारे टाकल्या पाहिजेत याचा आपण नक्की विचार करूया. In last session and in today's session, we have learned a very interesting story of glass, how it is made and what are the things is required for making the glass. Then we have seen how it is molded, how it is shaped, which are the different articles that can be made of it. Then we have seen how the color glass is made. Then what is the meaning of stained glass, where it is used. Then we have seen some unique features of the glass also. दोन भागामध्ये आपण काचेविषयी बरीच माहिती मिळवलेली आहे. ओके, आता हे दोन्ही भाग पाहिल्यानंतर तुम्ही ती स्टोरी पुन्हा एकदा वाचा आणि नंतर आणखीन माहिती तुम्हाला काही हवी असेल तर तुम्ही ती जाणून घ्या. ओके, नाव we will do some activities, but before doing the activity we will try to find out the meaning of some new words from this story. So let's begin with it. Guess the meaning of the following words from the passage. Okay, there are some words and we have to guess the meaning. First word is molten. The meaning of it is liquefied. Okay, then transparent, see through. We can see through the glass because glass is transparent. Impermeable, that is water or damp proof. In last session I told you about it. Then impart, that is pass on. And the next word is recyclable, that is reuse. Okay, so these are some new words from this passage and here I have given you the meaning of those words, but after watching this video you would open your book, find out where those words are, in which passage, in which paragraph, and you read the meaning of these words and try to understand the meaning in the sentence. Okay, with the context. व्हिडिओ पाहिल्यानंतर पुन्हा एकदा पुस्तक उघडा आणि हे शब्द कुठे आहे तिकडे अंडरलाईन करा आणि हे मीनिंग तिकडे लिहा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्या शब्दाचा तिकडे अर्थ कोणता आहे पॅसेज मध्ये हे व्यवस्थित कळेल. नाव देर आर सम ऍक्टिव्हिटीज विच यू पीपल आर गोइंग टू डू. लेट्स सी. So I'm not giving you much but only two activities. First one is that find out how paper and plastic are recycled. In this session, in this video, we have seen how the glass is recycled. So now this is your turn to find out how paper and plastic are recycled. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे बघा, आपण आपल्या घरातले जुने रद्दी पेपर रद्दीवाल्याला देतो किंवा प्लास्टिक वाल्याला ते प्लास्टिक गोळा करून घेऊन जातात. मग त्याचं पुढे काय करतात, ते कसं रिसायकल्ड करतात याची माहिती शोधायची. And the second thing is that prepare a poster each to urge people to use glass carefully, that is handle glass with care. तुम्ही एखादं छानसं चित्र काढायचंय, पोस्टर बनवायचंय किंवा स्लोगन्स ही जी दिली आहे त्याला त्याच्या आधारे एक छानसं चित्र काढा. तुम्ही तुमच्या चित्रातून तुम्ही लोकांना हा संदेश दिला पाहिजे की हँडल ग्लास विथ केअर, काचेचा अतिशय काळजीपूर्वक वापर करा. अँड रिसायकल ग्लास. आता तुम्हाला मी ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये एक रिसायकलिंगचं चित्र दाखवलं बघा, तर तसंच तुम्हाला काही तुमच्या आयडियाने काढता येतंय का हे पाहायचंय आणि प्रयत्न नाही, तुम्ही जरूर काढायचंय. ओके, सो in 2 sessions we have learned the story of the glass. How was it? Wasn't it interesting? I know you must have enjoyed it and now you will think or you will urge to find out or to know more about the glass. मला माहिती आहे की आता हे दोन्ही व्हिडिओ पाहिल्यानंतर काचेबद्दलची अधिक माहिती मिळवायला तुम्ही खूप उत्सुक झाला असाल. सो यू कॅन सर्च इट ऑन द net or you can find it out from the teachers or your elders and you just keep on be inquisitive. Okay,
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.